know it has been a while since I uploaded my last video, but I have not been doing too well. I was in a lot of pain, which is why I did not upload a video, but here I am. This has to be one of the most, I don't want to say requested, but one of the most talked about videos that I really wanted to do, and a lot of you guys asked me about. It is about my skincare, just what I like to do in my day-to-day life to maintain this kind of clear skin. So let's get started. Here's the thing with my skincare. I don't really like doing much. I get to try a lot of different skincare products from a lot of different brands, and of course they're great, but I still feel that 5 to 6 products for your entire skincare routine is more than enough. I know a lot of people go full on and do like a 12 to 20 step skincare routine, and good for them if that works for them. The minute that I start applying a lot of skincare to my face, my skin just does not like to take it. So I just usually leave it alone and do the bare minimum, but there are a few things that I have to keep in mind, which I will talk to you guys about. So as I was saying, my skincare is completely gender neutral. Whatever products and techniques and tips and tricks I use them on Shubhankar too. So this video is for everyone. First things first, I am the most basic ass bitch when it comes to skincare, and I do believe that doing less is more in skincare, because the lesser products that you use on your skin, the better it looks. I change my face wash every 6 months because my skin gets very used to a formula and then it stops looking that nice. So I just automatically change it as soon as I see a difference that my skin is just not very happy with what I'm using. So currently I'm using the Pond's Radiant Beauty face wash. It's so good, especially for summer months, because my face tends to get very sweaty, and that face wash makes your skin super dry but clean. I mean, I can manage dry skin because you can obviously moisturize it later on, but I hate having oily skin because that just gives me visuals of having pimples and acne marks and just not nice stuff like that. Another thing that I do is try to drink a lot of water. I'll be completely honest here, I don't drink a lot of water as much as I should, but as soon as I start noticing, redness, bumps, और पिंपल आने से पहले एक वो थोड़ा सा फीलिंग आता है जहाँ पर स्किन थोड़ा बम्पी हो जाता है, that is when I start drinking water, and I swear on you guys, the pimple goes away overnight. Water is going to be your best friend. If you're like me and you don't like drinking water that much, make sure that you eat things with a lot of water content like cucumber. I was about to say watermelon, but I don't eat watermelon, so yeah, I mean, you get the gist, right? You just have to incorporate a lot of foods with water content, or drink water, whatever works for you. I don't like drinking a lot of water because it makes me feel very bloated, it makes my face look very puffy, so that is that. I try to eat things that I know will agree with my skin. Like dairy, I avoid dairy because that is just proven to be really bad for your skin and for your gut and for things like that. So I don't really consume milk, paneer, cheese, slightly here and there, once a week or once 2 weeks. I used to have a lot of forehead bumps, like the tiny bumps that you get on your forehead. I used to think that was because of dandruff, but I don't really have dandruff that much. Then I started cutting out dairy out of my diet, and I found out that that problem was automatically gone. So yeah, dairy is the #1 culprit for bad skin. Another thing to stay away from is excessive oily food. Oil is fine, but excessive oil, the heavy-handed tala hua khana, and you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, just stay away from like excess oil and you will definitely see a change in your skin. Another thing that I do to get rid of any puffiness on my face, especially early in the morning, is rubbing an ice cube on your face. It is so painful. It's actually worth it. And if you're just getting started, wrap an ice cube around a really light cloth or maybe even a tissue paper and dab it on your skin or rub it on your skin. Again, you need to do what feels good for your skin. I am just telling you guys the things that work for me and that feel good to me, so you guys can have. I'm just here to give you like small checkpoints so you guys can figure your own way out. Another really cool tip: keep some of your skincare in your fridge and use it in the morning. It will bring a lot of difference to your skin. So I use this aloe vera gel from Patanjali. I don't really like the brand, but anyway, this aloe vera gel is really good. It works literal wonders. So I keep this in my fridge and I use it almost every morning. I don't know, there's just something about like chilled skincare that makes your skin feel so good. Here is actual proof of me keeping my skincare things in the fridge. So this is a face tool that I use. Another very important tip: sunscreen. I am always loaded up with these Lotus Herbal Matte Look Daily Sunblock. This is my favorite skincare product, and I am gonna include sunscreen in skincare because I use it religiously every single day. I just don't step out of the house without my sunscreen. I don't even sit inside my house without this sunscreen. Because I heard that you should apply your sunscreen even when you're inside the house, because I'm not a scientist, I don't know. It actually makes a difference. If there is one skincare product that you are gonna use when you're at home, it should be a sunscreen, according to me. Another really important part of my skincare is shaving my face. These are the regular Tinkle razors that you get. This is so good to get rid of the fine hair that you get on your face. It makes your face look very smooth. It makes your makeup go on extremely smoothly. Your face looks just very clean. You can do your upper lips and your eyebrows if you're good at it. I don't touch my eyebrows with this because I don't trust myself that much. I think I started using this when I was 16-17 and I still do. If you want like super clean, smooth skin, this will be your best friend. And this video would not be complete without including a face mask. This is my absolute favorite skincare product after my sunscreen. Me, my family, Shubhankar's mom, everyone has been using this because I like pushing things on people, and this works for every single person that I know. So this is basically a magic product. If you get a pimple on your face, if your face is feeling oily, if your face is looking dull, use this and it will just magically solve all your problems. I swear to God, this is the best product in the Indian market. I love it. I've been using this for years now. Yeah man, I just absolutely love this. Plus neem is actually proven to be like really good for your skin, and this feels very natural, so I don't exactly know if this is natural, but this works great for my skin. So yeah, I think that is about it. I think I covered everything. I think so. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys found this useful. I really told you guys all my skincare secrets. This is all that I do. So I hope you guys can take 1 or 2 tips from this video. Really sorry for not uploading on Wednesday. I know I was talking about being consistent and then I vanished, but times are times are stressful, okay? I will, however, try uploading more. I'm not promising anything, but that is just something that I really want to do. So yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying at home. This is a terrible time for our country. I don't want to come on here and like spread positivity, because I think that's a very toxic mentality. We are in literal shambles, and we just need to be empathetic. Stay at home if you can, and if you just have to go out, double mask it and use sanitizer. You guys already know all that by now, but I just really want everyone to stay safe. So yeah, take care of yourself and your families. I hope this situation gets better soon. Thank you for all the love and support. You guys have been there for me constantly, and I just could not be thankful enough. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.